Speaking task for an interview. 1. Presentation. 2. I will talk about my travel experience. 3. The weather. 4. Recommendation if you go to Island Mukura. Presentation. My name is Jesus Santiago Baron. I live in Paicohuila. My age is 19 years old. I study engineering and environmental in University United. I told the one experience the travel to Island Mukura. I will tell about my travel experience. My trip to Mukura Island. My journey to the island together with my family has been the best holidays I have had. The trip was very long, but it was completely wrong. I could not believe when we arrived, weather was completely transparent, appreciate with total clarity the reef and the aquatic life, its arena blank, beaches seen from another world. I promised me saying that it was not going to be the last time that I visited it. The climate of the island. The climate of the island is very hot because it's in the sea. The sun is very strong. All day the weather is quite strong. But that day we weren't lucky because it was a bit cloudy. Recommendation: enjoy the island. Unforgettable experience is living in the areas of coral is not very expensive and is safe. No doubt you must enjoy the gastronomy, so the best is to eat what the islands offer. Something I can't leave out is caring for marine life. A star of sea are found by quantities that are very delicate. At the time of baiting, you should be careful with a striped, so if it comes divisa, the best is to come away. At the moment of planning a trip of this type, the best is to do in a low season to save expenses. Thank you. Finish.